Postulation and the theorizing process. Formation of theories. We try to look for clues through the process of experimentation. Using these clues, we form a few postulates. Using the framework of these postulates, we form a theory. This is the process of partial postulation. The basic merit of partial postulation is that it becomes easier for us to work with fewer concepts and then building on from such concepts. One glaring demerit, however, is that this process of partial postulation can give us only a partial view of the world. Zero-Postulation or Null-Postulation comes to our rescue regarding this. The best bet is to find out the most fundamental components within the system and building a theory around these. In other words, a theory that is able to describe the world in totality has to keep the number of basic postulates it depends upon to zero or near zero. Zero-Postulation gives rise to abstraction. The abstraction we are talking about here may be defined as postulation of non-postulation, or in other words, a system of postulation that gives equal weights to all possible solutions inside the system and favors none of such solutions over others. Zero-Postulation may seem to give rise to an absolutely constant universe incapable of any change. Considering transport or tendency of transport of physical entities from an initial to a final point, we come to a similar basis of understanding of various physical phenomena. The trajectory behavior of such transport represents the effect or field of influence. This way, we may explain cluster formation in the universe, an expanding universe, etc., which in turn explains the various changes taking place in the universe. This may also lead to a similar basis for understanding the four non-contact forces of nature. Also, for different ranges of acceleration in the field formed in space-time, we have different properties of matter interacting. This may explain the difference in ranges of the various forces. A few things that we can summarize from this little discussion are: abstraction is about extracting specific features for a given set of observations. It is generalization of ideas and comprises the intersection set of all possible sets. Abstraction arising from zero-postulation may give a complete description of the world.